That AC2 file contains polygon mesh data in the AC3D format, a 3D model type you'll frequently encounter in flight simulators and visualization projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these 3D model files. If you frequently deal with unusual AC2 file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. AC2. Files are 3D model files created by AC3D, a lightweight 3D modeling application. They contain polygon mesh data material definitions, texture coordinates, and object hierarchies, commonly used in FlightGear and other open-source simulation and visualization projects. AC3D AC2. Files use a plain text format with a header line specifying the version followed by material object surf and vertex data blocks. The format supports hierarchical objects, texture mapping transparency, and two-sided polygons for real-time 3D rendering. The software default for the AC2 file type is the solution provided by Innovis Limited's AC3D. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows can't render their full mesh or model data, so complete analysis must be done in a CAD tool. We are checking the installed software landscape. Right-click your AC2 file and choose Open With. Test AC3D first if installed. If not, select another application. Often, a lesser-known tool works perfectly. If your AC2 file will not open yet, do not panic. This is a truly stubborn AC2 file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, opening the file. Download and install AC3D from innovis.com to open AC2 files natively. Alternatively, import AC2 files into Blender using the AC3D import add-on available from Blender's add-on repository. Enable the add-on in Preferences, then import via File, then Import, then AC3D. Next, converting to OBJ or FBX. Open the AC2 file in AC3D or Blender and export to OBJ or FBX format via File, then Export. OBJ format preserves mesh geometry and materials, while FBX maintains hierarchical object relationships for use in game engines and 3D animation software. Finally, using in FlightGear. Place your AC2 model file in the appropriate FlightGear aircraft or scenery model directory. Reference the file in the aircraft's XML configuration. FlightGear's Scene Graph Loader natively supports AC3D format for aircraft models, scenery objects, and instrument panels. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.